Let me introduce the software to connect by phone to upload without any contact with the LED display. Okay, here this one you download the WebLink apps in your phone and connect the Wi-Fi to the Nova display, and it will have if you have anyone only connect anyone to this Wi-Fi about the process, and close your internet for 4G. Then we enter the apps, and it is the home page, and connect the local control. And go in the local client. This is the LED display ID, and you connect, it will have you need to enter the passwords. And go in to connect the OK. It will see the success. It has the mounting screen Moscow, and you can set the resolutions or the type to show. Okay, then that we publish the advertising. Choose the local solutions and upload the photos or the showing way. Write the width and height about the LED display that you want showing. Okay. Add the modules, some image or videos or
Totally.
Find the pictures and upload it. Click publish. Okay, publish. It will show that is success showing the upload LED display pictures. Hello, welcome Gemdragon. Here let me introduce the video wall LED floor standing with pins 2.5 LED. And let me show you, here is playing the video display and with two floor standing. And here the regular is more smoothly and with smoothless video connect. You can see here. And this one is installed by the cabinet display with 4 pieces each floor. And let me check the back inside. With each one display, this one fixed the true LED display with the video as whole one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 2 with each process to connect, suppose close, publish the LED display. This one also support with the tablet, like showing here this, and also support the floor standing with a fixed view.